I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Let's get to your NBC3 forecast. When we went on the air first at 4 a.m. on NBC3, it was 61 degrees, so that's what the high temperature is going to be. But the rest of the day, temperatures are falling through the 40s. Clouds will try to give way to some breaks of sun, but that westerly wind is not allowing the temperature to rise at all. In fact, yeah, it's making it fall. I wouldn't be surprised if we finish the afternoon ride home from work in the upper 30s. Well, certainly down through the 30s tonight. It'll be interesting to see if we make the freezing mark. I am forecasting a low of or just under 32. That would mark the first 32-degree temperature of the season. Regardless if we get it, 5, 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow, or we wait till the next day, it is all a record for the latest 32-degree temperature ever on record, which is 1902. Pretty interesting stuff. And taking a look at what to expect, well, we know temperatures are getting colder today. Those tumbling temperatures on tap, as we've mentioned, dropping into the upper 30s later today. Well, looking ahead, frequent freezing first. Now, I mentioned this yesterday. It bears repeating in case you missed it. Not only are we getting our first 32-degree temperature, we're getting our first sub-40-degree high. And I know many areas have already seen a tenth of an inch of snow or more, but Syracuse technically has not. We will probably get that. Best chances for that would probably be Friday evening into Friday night. Looking further down the road, localized lake snow. While some of it will start over parts of the area tonight, it's going to move around and you'll see in the FUTURECAST how it'll differ in shape, intensity, form, and position. That does not mean everybody's going to snow tonight through Saturday morning. Absolutely not. You know how lake effect is. It makes inroads over parts of the area, but not everybody. More on that in a sec. A couple showers early move away, then clouds through midday, and then giving way to some breaks of sun later this afternoon. Temperatures, though, falling into the upper 30s. I think if there's any lake effect precipitation up north, it's minimal. Into tonight, it gets a little better organized, but not too much. A couple of snow and rain showers over Oswego County, northern Oneida County, and southern Lewis counties. None of this should be south of Route 31. That means most of central New York and southern New York should be quiet tonight through tomorrow morning. What will happen is winds become a little more southwesterly. That will take this band and shift it up to the north on Thursday. I'm showing you this because you can't see it under the bar here for Thursday afternoon. It gets stronger in Jefferson County and northern Lewis counties. The reason why I'm getting out of the way is watch what happens Thursday afternoon right here over the central and southern tier. See that right there? Combination of a weather system coming through and Lake Erie moisture may produce some snow squalls coming all the way over Lake Erie and maybe getting a squall over places like Cincinnatus, DeRide, or Fabius, or Toggenburg, or Cortland, down towards Moravia, Trumansburg, Ithaca, Freeville. I mention this because don't forget 5 p.m. while it is a rush hour, it's also after sunset now. And if this occurs as shown here, while the amount of snow may not be much, a coating to an inch or two, it happens fast. And that could cause a little flash freeze problem for the southern tier. So let's keep an eye out for this. Exact position and timing to be determined, but that's just something, a heads up I want to give you guys for Thursday late in the afternoon. Also, east of Lake Ontario, we're seeing that. Now, once this thing moves through, the lake effect reorganizes itself up north. Notice it's showers of rain up north mixed with snow over higher elevations. All of this likely Thursday night to Friday morning, probably staying near or north of Route 31, which is right about there. What will likely happen is this band of rain and snow should shift south and cross all of central New York and then kind of break up into pieces. There should still be some snow showers and flurries Friday night. The amount of sunshine, I don't think it's zero, but it's going to be limited. You can watch the 7-day forecast on cnycentral.com.